Hey guys, Urmati here. How you all doing? And today I'm back with another video. This is another beta update that has come up. So this time it is the Watch OS 10 which has come up. Yesterday I uploaded a video that showed you all the major features about the iOS 17. I'll leave a link in the description below as well, so you can just check that out. Now today I have received a beta on the Apple Watch that I have, which is the iOS 10. So let us see what are all the changes that have come up with the Watch OS 10. And this is a beta, so you can also install it. All you have to do is you have to go in the software update section of the watch, and when you click over here you actually have to click on the beta updates. Usually this will be off for normal users. When you click on it, you have to select the Watch OS 10 public beta, and here you will get an update. It is roughly 1.1 gigabytes, so it took around hour and a half to install on the watch as well. It's a pretty hefty update. Let us see what all changes have come up in the watch. So this is the watch, as you can see, and this is one of the two new watch faces that have come up. This is the goofy one, and when the always on display comes up, it looks really cool as well. Amazing new changes in the iWatch Watch OS 10, and basically there are two new watch faces that have come up. But starting before showing you the watch face, I'll start with the important change that has come up over here. Is you can no longer swipe to change the watch faces that you used to do before, and that is something which is one major change how you interact with your device. If you need to change the watch faces now, you have to long press, and then only you can change the watch faces. So this is one of the new updates that have come up, and this is one of the two new watch faces that has come up in the new Watch OS 10 update. It looks very cool in my opinion. There are three colors which are changing constantly over here as the second clock is moving ahead. It looks really cool, and I think you can customize it as always with different colors as you like. And when you swipe, you can customize the complications really good. And the second watch that was already on is the goofy watch over here. It looks really good, and it just brings out a lot of memories of our childhood as well. Really nice, really cool. Second major update that have come up is basically with the widgets. Now the widgets can directly show when you rotate the crown, so it's a very easy way to glance at what information you need. As soon as you rotate the crown, you can see you are in this widgets page over here, and when you move here, all your recent widgets that you open up will be stacked one after other, where you have the health app, we have the calendar app, we have the weather app, and some few shortcuts. It looks really good, I would say. It right at the glance, you have the information that you require very easily. And here only we get to see another changes. So when you go in the health app now, it looks a little bit different. You have different modes right here. It is not just ring which was there previously, and as you move along, you see it looks a little bit different from before, and it gives you a better look. It looks more intense, I would say. The color scheme has changed slightly, and it is definitely looking really good in this new Watch OS 10. And when you click on this again, you have this shortcuts to go. So when you click, we have the weekly summary over here on the top. Here you can start sharing. So there is a slight change when it comes to the health application, the way it is seen on the Watch OS. Another change again, when you move in the weather app, you have multiple informations. Again, not much. If I click over here, again it's a simple one that you rotate the crown to take multiple informations. But when you are on the first screen over here, I think, look at that, when you click on it, you see multiple informations. What is the visibility, what is the humidity, what is the temperature. So again, this is more interactive. It is giving more information on normal touches, and this is a very neat update, I would say, that has come to the Watch OS. Will make people use the weather app more. Personally, I was not very keen on using this, but yes, this has come up. Another change, when you click on this, you see the control center. It looks more cleaner now. I think they have made slight changes where the background wallpaper or the watch OS, that watch face which is there, it gets blurred and you get this control center. It looks really clean now. I think much cleaner than before, because there is a blurry transparent screen which is there on the back. It looks very good. And one more thing, when you go to the menus now, you click the crown, you get into the menus. Again, all the apps which are there, basically they are stacked one below the other. It is just like before, but I think the color scheme has slightly changed. Overall in the Watch OS 10, it looks more saturated now, and on this OLED screen it looks very beautiful. So when you go in the end over here, you can very easily change between the list view and grid view. It's right there in the end. So we have to move right to the end of the apps to actually change the view. I personally love this view. So again, this is another change that has come up with watchOS. When you go in the settings, again the settings looks very good. They are stacked one below the other, and I think they are very neat and clean. They have just slightly changed the color scheme, because of which everything looks much more cleaner now, which was not the case before, and something which is really nice and new. The notification panel is exactly the same. You swipe from the top, but the major change where you cannot change the clock faces just by swiping, that is something which I have not liked so much personally. I would love to know your opinion on the same. And yeah guys, all the features that have come up over here may not be there in the final version. So as soon as more updates come to this, I'll keep on making the videos. And I think these are all the major changes that have come up to the watchOS 10 so far that I have been able to guess. And if you guys have some features that have come up and which I might have missed, you can write in the comment section below, and I think we'll help each other out with what's new in this update as well, guys. So yeah guys, this was the video. I hope you liked it. Personally, this is a nice update to the watchOS, gives it a refreshing attitude and characteristics, and something which everyone will definitely love, as this is one of the most selling smartwatches in the world. So yeah guys, this was the video. This was from my end, and I hope you liked the video. I also made the video on the changes that have come up in the iOS 17, so the link will be there in the description below. You can go and check that out. Also, if you like the video, do subscribe to the channel so that it gives me motivation to make more such videos. So yeah guys, this was from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.